Hi, this is Jose Figueroa with Figueroa Financial, and I want to welcome you to this edition of Financial Answers Friday. The question for today is, what's the envelope system? This is our envelope system for my wife Stacy and I. The idea here is that you're going to pick a few categories in your monthly budget, and you're going to use cash to pay for those categories. We started, my wife Stacy and I, when we first started using this years ago, we started with the category of groceries because we found ourselves always overspending in the food item of our budget. So how does it work? So every pay period, I get paid on the 1st and the 15th of every month. So let's say our budget for the month is $400 for food. So on the 1st of the month, we either write ourselves a check, cash it out of the bank, or go to the ATM, and we put $200 in an envelope. And this one, you can't see it, but it's labeled groceries. So we put $200 there, which is half our allocated spending for the month for the category of groceries. Then when my wife, who does the grocery shopping, she goes to the store, she takes this envelope and then she pays for the groceries with cash. On the 16th and then the 15th, when I get paid again, then we go out again to the ATM, get $200 out, the other half of our allocated spending for the month for groceries, and we put it in the envelope. So every time we go to the store to buy groceries, we only pay with cash. Once the cash runs out and the envelope is empty, you can't spend anymore. So that way, you know you have a fixed amount of spending for that category for groceries for the month. When we first started doing this years ago, we started with groceries to try it out using cash. It worked so well for us, we moved to using it for restaurant and eventually also for clothing. So that way it's controlled spending, it's already here in the envelope, and that way you know you can control that category. You don't want to do too many categories, just 2 or 3 of those categories that are usually hard for you because you might be overspending. So that's it, the envelope system, cash is king. So pick a few categories, start out with one, and you'll see that you can control your spending in that category. Again, this is Jose Figueroa with Figueroa Financial, and remember, there is always help and hope for your finances.